In this demo, we will once again leverage the FortiSIEM, in addition to the FortiClient and the EMS, to showcase outbound integration of third-party SOAR platform, such as ServiceNow. On the EMS, we can see a few vulnerable hosts that might be victims of an attack, and one of them is Skyway Diner, with the largest number of vulnerabilities. Moving over to the FortiSIEM, let's go to the admin panel to have a look at the integration with ServiceNow. Within the integration section, we can see that the integration with ServiceNow is defined here. In our case, we also have a policy set up on the FortiSIEM to have malicious events automatically sent to ServiceNow. From the Incidents tab, as we can see, the Skyway Diner host has visited malicious sites a number of times, and automatically a new ServiceNow ticket was generated. We can go over to the ServiceNow dashboard, and from here, if we search for the same ticket ID, we can see that we are taken to the same ticket with the incident information from FortiSIEM populated. ServiceNow can now take appropriate action based on their preferences.